A Zen Guide to a Fulfilled Life. A fulfilled life according to Zen teaching. Zen Buddhism and the school of Mahayana Buddhism offers a unique perspective on a fulfilled life. It emphasizes the importance of being present in the moment, accepting life as it is, and finding peace with oneself. There are some key principles from Zen teachings that contribute to a fulfilled life. 1. Mindfulness and presence. Living in the now, Zen encourages us to focus on the present moment rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Acceptance and non-attachment. Embracing impermanence, recognizing that everything is constantly changing, Zen teaches us to accept life's ups and downs without resistance. Letting go. Attachment to material possessions, people, or ideas can lead to suffering. Zen encourages us to let go of these attachments and find peace in simplicity. Simplicity and gratitude. Finding joy in the ordinary. Zen emphasizes the beauty and riches of everyday life by appreciating the simple things. We can cultivate a sense of contentment and gratitude. Minimalism. Reducing clutter in our lives, both physical and mental, can create space for peace and clarity. Self-discipline and practice. Meditation and Zazen. Meditation practices such as Zazen is central to Zen. It helps to calm the mind, develop concentration, and cultivate insight. Daily practice. Zen encourages a daily practice of mindfulness, self-reflection, and ethical behavior. Interconnectedness and compassion. Unity of all beings. Zen recognizes the interconnectedness of all beings and the importance of compassion and empathy. Serving others. By serving others and contributing to the well-being of our communities, we can find meaning and purpose in our lives. In essence, a fulfilled life according to Zen teaching is one that is lived mindfully with acceptance, simplicity, and compassion. It is a life of inner peace, contentment, and a deep connection to oneself and the world.